So at CES, Asus has debuted the world's first 3D OLED technology. So what this is it allows you to view 3D objects on the screen that seem to float or appear right in front of you without 3D glasses. Now it does this using an innovative eye tracking technology as well as leveraging OLED screens. It's actually really amazing. I was blown away by how large and detailed the 3D images were, and you can rotate them around and see them from all angles. And watching 3D movies and 3D videos really is next level amazing. There's no doubt that we're moving more towards a 3D world, and this is especially true with the metaverse and all of the potential options that that might deliver. So it's great to see that Asus is innovating in this space. So we're looking at Asus's ProArt StudioBook 16 3D OLED device here. It has obviously a 16-inch screen. You can see the eye tracking technology cameras up here at the top. Creators can also use a 3D pen to help them manipulate and visualize objects in real time. So this is Asus's VivoBook range, and VivoBook is for people who want an affordable option which gives them a fantastic combination of power, performance, and portability. What I love here is Asus's VivoBook Pro 16X. So one, it has a 16-inch screen, but two, this is the same 3D OLED technology that you find in the StudioBook. So this is ideal for creatives who want to get an affordable platform but access to that 3D OLED technology. So it's a great option, and it really just unlocks their creativity. So OLED screens really do look great, but they also unlock a whole range of different form factor options. Starting with Asus's Zenbook 17 Fold, this is an incredible laptop. It is actually a 17-inch OLED screen that folds into a laptop shape for the person who really wants to be able to choose the type of form factor they want and not have any compromises. So, for example, you could fold it from a full-screen tablet into a laptop shape and even have an on-screen keyboard on the lower half, or add a Bluetooth keyboard on top of the lower half and use the upper half as a screen. Now it's fully touchscreen all across the entire space, and it really just adapts to however you want to use it. It's a great example of OLED screens really just unlocking the possibilities. I love it. So moving into something just a little more conventional, this is the Asus Zenbook 14 Flip with an OLED screen as well. So it is a 2-in-1, meaning we have a touch screen and a fully flexible hinge. This is presentation mode, which is great for, making PowerPoint presentations or even watching movies. So it's sort of a self-standing option here. But you can flip it over into a more conventional laptop form factor using the touch screen. You can even use a stylus with it as well. But when you close it up, you get the benefit of it being thin and light too. So this is a great option, giving you a lot of different form factors in one. So if you want an even more portable option, I would definitely go for the Zenbook 14 OLED. This one is the ultimate combination of power and portability, super light, super thin, a really great form factor for those people that want to do lots of great work on the go. So while you might have glasses that help cut blue light, you don't have to worry about that with Asus's screen. So all of the OLED displays are TUV rated, and they actually have a blue light filter that reduces blue light by 70%. So you can see here that the Asus Zenbook range really does have that ultimate flexibility with the fold. Then you can move into that 2-in-1 form factor with the flip. Or if you want a thin and light form factor, a more conventional one, you can go for just the general Zenbook 14. Okay, let's talk Asus Gaming. The 2023 range consists of the Flow, which is really about the on-the-go gamer who wants some portability as well as some great gaming action. Moving up to the Zephyrus, now that's about the gamer who maybe wants to do some work during the day and then hop into some great gaming action in the evening. And then the Strix, which is all about next level, top tier, hardcore gaming. So let's have a look at the range. So with the ROG Flow, you can actually pick it up and separate the keyboard from the screen and use it in tablet mode, so great for gaming on the go. And with the Zephyrus, they've got extra processing hardware, extra graphics hardware, but also an advanced cooling system which helps dissipate the heat and keep it cool for longer. I love the super cool graphics on this. So with the Strix, you can now go with either a 16-inch or upsize to a massive 18-inch display. And in terms of gaming hardware, there's now the GeForce RTX 40 to give you that extra gaming performance. In terms of screen tech, all of these models have the Nebula screen, which offers a great combination of quick response times, really smooth and fluid gameplay, and great colors too. So with Asus's commercial laptop range, we see some improvements too. OLED comes to the ExpertBook B9. This is a 16:10 aspect ratio screen, which means it's extra wide, giving you room for presentations, watching videos, as well as just more room to work. Also, I love how amazingly light this is, but it also has a military grade specification, or mil-spec if you will, meaning added durability. Next, it's got a really cool numeric keypad overlay, which you can use if you want to really enter a lot of numbers in the traditional sort of keypad way. And also there's an NFC technology built in where you can access, for example, unlock the laptop if your corporation wants to do that just with a tap right on the touchpad.